Hey, welcome once again to this Telegram bot API. Now in this video I'm going to show you on how you can send the message from the user to the bot, then from the bot to the user. So the first thing we need to do, remember that we on the previous video, if you didn't see on how you are supposed to set the webhook URL, because it is very important in this video. So we are going to create here a file that we will name it as send message.php. Then we are going to do this. I'm going to take this. I'm going to copy that, then just paste it there so that I cannot repeat. Then come back to the I'm going to come back to this. So first, remember that we need to get the data that is being sent there so that we can send it back. So first, what we will do, first I'll leave this file that I've created again, and then I'm going to do this. I'm going to take this, then I'm going to create a file that I'm going to name it as get webhook sent data.php. Then I'm going to do this because it's a JSON data that is being sent to the webhook. I want to see what type of data is being sent there. PHP. Then I'm going to do this. I'm going to write data. Then get the file that is being sent. Then we are going to create where the log file that we will store the information. So log then a log file. Then I'm going to write here a webhook information data, but I'm not going to store it as a txt. I'm going to store it as a JSON data. Then I'm going to do this, get the data, then write logs. I'm going to do this. Let me write a log, not that log. Then I will do open so that I can open the log. Then I will write inside the log, then close it there. So I'm going to take this. Even we can just do this. We can copy this. Then go back to this URL that we set the webhook URL, this one, which is here. Then I'm going to do this, then paste that so that we can see. Now we can come back to the folder name. Here you can see there is nothing here, but let's try sending a message to our bot so that we can see, we can get the message that it will be sent to the webhook. So again, I'm going to write hi, my name is Alvin. I'm not writing Alvin. Then there. Then we can come and reload here. You can see this is the data that has been sent. Then we can edit this data. Then we copy this. We copy that. Then come back to this. We can create a file here so that you can see the data that has been sent. So here data.json, so that you can see the data that is being sent. Then let me format it here. You can see this is the data that has been sent, and from this data is the one that we will use to send back the message to the bot. So you can see from this is the ID, then this is the chat ID. So what we need to do, we are going to do this. We are going to go back to the file that we created. Then here we will include this config, the bot config. Then what we will do next, we will come back and take the, we'll come back here and take this, the important get data. Where is it? here, get sent data. I'm going to take this information here, then I'm going to paste it here so that we can get the data. Then the next thing that I'm going to do, or we can just take this, the whole thing. We can just take the whole thing here. Get data. We can just take this, the whole thing here. Then come back to the send. We just do this, but we will include the config. We will include this config, so because we need the send the bot token in order to send back the bot information. So the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to get the data that is there. So here, this is what I will do. I will do I'm going to write get data. Then what I'm going to decode the JSON that is being sent. JSON decode true. I will decode that. Then I will get the user ID. The user ID, which the user ID will be from this. This is how you get the user ID. Then the next thing that we will do, I will come back here and do this, and I will come and create parameters. No, let me first do this. I don't know why it's my. Let me do this first because the screen recording is making some errors. So this is what I will do. I think it's okay. So I will come here and do this. I will create a message, message that I will send to the bot. So message. First, let me get the message that has been sent from this data here. This message, where's the message? This text. So this is what I will do. By getting the message, I will do this. So I will come back and get the bot, the user message. This is the user message here. This is the one that I have gotten. Then I will do this. I will create the bot message. The message that the bot will send back to the user. Message. Then I will say hi. I will say hi there. I'll say hi there. How can I help you? Then this, I will come back here from this. I will come and create parameters. These are the parameters that will help me to send back the message. So this is the message that will be sent because this is the message that we got from the user. Then I will add something here. I will add pass mode HTML. Then the next thing that I'm just going to leave it there. Then I will come here back and create, and I will request for us to send the message. I will request for us to send the message. So the message, this is how you send the message. You get the bot tokenization, and this is the URL for sending. So, and this is the method that you will use to send the message. And then we are going to do some curl because you consume it with curl. Then this is what you do. I'll just use the data from here, but what I want to do, because we are using a post request, then that's what we will do. Then we'll just fill the next and then review, see if it is okay the way we are proceeding with it. Then the next, what we will do, we'll write true, then opt here. I don't think if we need this because I think curl, then what we need is curl return transfer. It's already written there. So what we will do, I will just write here result, then I will do execute so that I can execute the curl request. Then I will close it. So the next thing that, let me first do this. What we will do, I will echo the result, echo the result from here. Then we can do this, we can come back and copy this, then go back to our webhook, or we can just upload this first. We can upload it here. We can upload the send message and here. Let me upload it from where did I set it? I set it to the Telegram bot course. So I'm going to upload this, then I'm going to upload this send message here. I'm going to upload this send message. So when we come back here, we will reload and see here what we have uploaded. This has not uploaded. Let's reload it again and see. Here it is. Then here is the code that we had coded there. Then we can test if it is sending the message, but let's first create a dummy message where we will do this. We will edit this and say hi. We'll do this because we need the user ID. So first we need to get the user ID. So what we will do, I will come back here and create a dummy. Here I will create a user ID which is dummy. Then I'll come back to this JSON and take my user ID which is that. Then come here, then paste that one there. Let's leave it as an integer. Then I will create a message here that I will do. I'll write it like this, test message. So that's the test message. Then what I will do, I will just leave it as that, then copy this so that it can execute this send ID. Then I'll go back to here, I'll go back to this send ID, then paste it there. Then we can test if it is working successful. We'll copy that, then go back here. Then we can come and do this. We can come and you can come here to the URL. Where's the URL? This. Then we will just come and paste this one here and see the response that it will give us. You can see from that we got the success, and you can see from the Telegram bot here is the message. Then I'm going just to do this so that I can confirm it with you. Here I'm going to write data test message. So this is what I'm going to do. Then to go back to this, then reload it. From that you can see it has sent the message. And now we want to do this. We want to do where we will send and receive message from the user. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjust this code again. I'm going to comment this. Then I will do this. I will write here something. I will do this. Let's do this because we have sent the message from the user. We have sent the message from the user. Let's make it on the other video so that you can understand on how you can send and receive back the message from the user.